So, hi, my people. I want to do a challenge for 24 hours that I'm going to stay in the floor. So, people, I'm going to sleep in the floor for 24 hours. So, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up. I'm going to sleep in the floor for 24 hours. Okay? Why get out of the hospital? I'm going to sleep 24 hours in the floor. We are a blanket. Okay? YouTube, my YouTuber, el Super Pepito Andy, el Super Pepito Pepineta, Andy de Jesus Blanco. Make sure you follow me. Make sure you follow me.